If you're an animal lover, this will touch your heart. Parrots can actually die from heartbreak. Parrots are incredibly social creatures. They form strong bonds with their partners, just like humans. When a parrot loses its mate, the grief can be overwhelming. These intelligent birds can show signs of depression, stop eating, and even refuse to move. In some heartbreaking cases, they can die from this deep sorrow. It's a powerful reminder of the emotional lives animals lead. So next time you see a parrot, remember they're not just pretty feathers, they're beings with deep emotions, capable of the strongest love and the deepest heartbreak.